with pink sapphires, manufactured by Spark. It's a one-of-a-kind piece, very, very rare. So it shows up beautiful on black fur, okay, and it'll show up great on your black sweater. Absolutely gorgeous, a one-of-a-kind piece. You're just doing so good, look at you. So come down to Stuart Benjamin and Company Jewelry Designs. Visit Newton when Newton comes to visit, and we're just a real family-oriented jewelry